Do one thing at a time, and while doing it put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject it as poison. Talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately fools never meditate. The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet. If superstitions enter, the brain is gone. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. In one word, this ideal is that you are divine. You are the soul, free and eternal, ever free, ever blessed. Have faith enough and you will be free in a minute. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. All the strength and succor you want is within yourself. It is our own mental attitude which makes the world what it is for us. Our thoughts make things beautiful, our thoughts make things ugly. The whole world is in our own minds. Learn to see things in the proper light. Have faith in yourselves. Great convictions are the mothers of great deeds. Every action that helps us manifest our divine nature more and more is good. Every action that retards it is evil. Condemn none. If you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If not, fold your hands, bless your brothers, and let them go their own way. Knowledge can only be got in one way, the way of experience. There is no other way to know. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. Whatever you think that you will be, if you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, you will be. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. It is the greatest heresy to think so. If there is a sin, this is the only sin, to say that you are weak, or others are weak. The powers of the mind are like the rays of the sun. When they are concentrated, they illumine. The mind is but the subtle part of the body. You must retain great strength in your mind and words. All truth is eternal. Truth is nobody's property. No race, no individual can lay any exclusive claim to it. Truth is the nature of all souls. Strength is life, weakness is death, expansion is life, contraction is death, love is life, hatred is death. All the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Swami Vivekananda was one of India's most popular Hindu monks and spiritual leaders. His name was Narendranath Datta. He was born on January 12, 1863 into a Bengali Kayastha family in Calcutta. He was an Indian Hindu monk, philosopher, author, religious teacher, and the chief disciple of the Indian mystic Ramakrishna. Swami Vivekananda is best known in the United States for his groundbreaking speech to the 1893 World Parliament. of religions in which he introduced Hinduism to America and called for religious tolerance and an end to fanaticism. At last, thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep moving.